In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a script in MQL5 for MetaTrader 5. Start with MetaTrader 5 already open. Once you're on the platform, press F4 on your keyboard. This will open MetaEditor, which is where you'll create and manage your MQL5 programs. With MetaEditor open, go to the File menu at the top and click New. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. From the list of available options, choose Script, then click Next to continue. You'll now be asked to enter a name for your script. Type a simple and memorable name, such as my first script. After entering the name, click Next, then click Finish. MetaEditor will automatically create a basic script template for you, including the main function that the script uses. Locate the OnStart function in the generated template. This is the part of the script that runs whenever you execute it in MetaTrader 5. Inside the OnStart function, remove everything between the opening and closing braces. Replace it with a single print command that displays a message. Enter the line that prints the text, "Hello" from my first MQL5 script. Once you've entered the print command, it's time to compile the script. Press F7 on your keyboard or click the Compile button on the toolbar at the top of MetaEditor. After the compilation finishes, look at the results shown near the bottom of the window. If everything has been entered correctly, you should see a message showing 0 errors and 0 warnings. If you don't see that result, check that the print statement uses double quotation marks and ends with a semicolon, then compile it again. When the script has compiled successfully, return to MetaTrader 5. Open the Navigator panel if it isn't already visible, then expand the script section. You should now see the script you created listed there. To run it, either drag the script onto any open chart or double-click the script name in the Navigator. The script will execute immediately. Next, open the Toolbox window and switch to the Experts tab. You should see the message, "Hello from my first MQL5 script," confirming that the script ran successfully. You'll also find the same message in the Journal tab. That's all there is to it. You've successfully opened MetaEditor, created a new script, edited the OnStart function, compiled your code, ran the script in MetaTrader 5, and confirmed that it executed correctly. Thank you for watching.